Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Got a new puzzle game for you. Should work good on an iPad, what do you call it, tablet, phone, or computer. You got a restart button down in the bottom right hand corner. And brings random puzzles up, different puzzles. This one's like a 9-piece one. Down in the bottom left corner, you got a full screen button to go full screen. And in the center, if you click the little picture, it'll make it bigger so that you can kind of see the puzzle pieces a little bit easier. And rotate things around and try to solve the puzzle. So, yeah. So like that. Let's see if we can figure this out. It's, yep, that's that. That is not that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay. Boom, boom. And well, all these are kind of jumbled. Oh, that looks pretty good. Looks like we got just this piece over in the top. So, that's going to be a tough one. Okay. Like that, like that. Oh, yeah. We got it. There we go. And then it'll load the next one, and you can try again. And if you get a puzzle that is more difficult or not to your liking, you can just restart it and start another one. And hope you enjoy the puzzle game. It's the new Kung Fu Maintenance puzzle game. This one I call Through Starry Skies. And yeah, hope you enjoy a little puzzle game. Link is in the description below. Yeah, enjoy.